Okay, so now let's look at a few other extra features. So one is in the publish, you can directly click edit URL, and then they give you the ability to add a subdomain under one of their pre-built domain pages. So you could have anything .swipepages.co, pagenet, and a slug of your choice. Or you could also go to domain settings and connect your domain, which I've not done so far. And on top of that, I think something else you could check out is actually try to have multiple steps for this form. So I'm going to just try. So right now there's a step where they get a short text, right? And then I want a next step. Oh, there's already a step, or these are pre-built. So I want to get something like the first name. Okay, it's already inserted here. Okay, I did not expect that. But I'm curious right now, why is this? Okay, this is at 40% width, right? So we'll probably do the same thing. Right. And I'm thinking, I don't really want the last name to stack like that, but maybe that is not a level of control that we get. Field typography, label, submission, advanced. Yeah, I don't see any easy steps right now to change that. And I think if I remove that, the phone automatically goes that side. But to be honest, sometimes I just want to have two fields. Maybe that works. So how is this going to work, right? So adding multiple steps will convert the form into multiple. Please check the front end for a multi-step form preview. So right now I don't see if this is how it's going to be. So let's just save and check a preview. Okay, so that's still cool. Look at that. If I click next, ooh, okay. So this is really cool. There was a slick animation, and then all right, there's a back button and there's a next, and then there's a download free copy. This is so good. This is top notch. I did not expect that to be so slick. So if I add another field, maybe I should rather add another step, right? And in this step, I could do that, right? And of course, like always, I put 40. What happens on mobile? I'm actually a bit curious. Is it going to be the same 40%? All right, there you go. So you don't want it to be 40% on mobile, so I think it's good to just have it at 95 or something like that. And the same thing, right? So yeah, I love this. I love this. I just wish this was not visible. Like it should be just like how it appears on the final page, and there must be a way to edit this differently. But yeah, it's not a big complaint. But yeah, I love how it's baked in features for multi-step forms. I mean, it's very crucial to improve conversions in some places, because if you present a big form, it scares people. Whereas if you present one field at a time, sometimes they'll just keep going on and giving you information without getting overwhelmed. So that's really good. So finally, let's check out the settings, right? We already checked out, there's a favicon setting. There's typography, where you can set for everything from H1 to H6, paragraph, caption, button, testimonial, large text, small text. There's colors, where you can control most of the colors from a single place, and an ability to add another color. So for example, if I have gradient 1, for example, and I could just be like, all right, this is my gradient, and then I can come inside here and just say use that color, right? So if I go to style, I can just say background color, and then in the swatch I can choose my gradient. So that's pretty cool, and it's centrally controlled, so you know it's super well done. Of course, if I want to override it manually for just one button, I'll be able to do that. It's not the only option I have. So let's say I want to put something ugly here purposefully, I can't do that. So yeah, anyway, let's just go back to how things were. And finally, there's SEO, where you are allowed to set a title, description, meta keywords, and other meta tags separately. Social sharing, so this is again very important. Open graph tags, Twitter card, so that when you share this page on social media, it has the right information. And then there's custom CSS if you want to add something, custom JavaScript in case you need to insert widgets or third-party code. Checkouts, right? This is something I've not selected, but yeah, okay. So I did connect my Stripe account, and that was pretty straightforward. But I've not tried how to sell products, but that's another cool feature, right? You can actually embed products quickly, connect it with your Stripe, and sell it. Cookie notice, okay, so that's your standard GDPR cookie notice. And then pop-ups. So pop-ups, so let's try a pop-up, and we'll see how easy is it to connect. Oh, they have, oh, that's cool. They have templates, and templates are kind of nice. I mean, it's standard. It's not exceptional, but it's clean. It's neat. Gets the job done very much. So I love that. Let's say I apply. Now my question is, will I be able to connect a pop-up? So here, if I say click action instead of go to URL, oh, I can choose multiple things. I can do call, email, open lightbox section, or pop-up, and then select a pop-up, right? So if I save and then just preview it again, I should be able to see the pop-up. There you go. All right, I feel right at home, guys. So far I have no problems. Things seem really good. Let's go back to the dashboard, right, and explore a few other stuff. So one cool thing again, which is integrated in this product is, oh, I'm able to create an AMP version of this page. I've not tried that yet. I'm not going to try that for this video. And then I can turn on A/B testing, which I assume this is going to be the control. I can create an variant, and then I can just test it. Let's try it actually. So there you go. So I can just click add new variant and clone of an existing page called variant B. And it automatically creates a weightage of 50-50. And if I change that, okay, so it's interesting how there is this counter here that prevents you from going above 100, right? So this is basically saying if you send 4 people to this page, 1 of them will see variant A and 3 of them will see variant B, right? And based on I really don't know how to set winner qualities, but I'm guessing we haven't set any goals, but basically you'll have to just study in this and decide which one to choose as the winner. Then finally, for the settings, they have the same thing, which is you can directly embed a pixel ID analytics maps API. There's a form submission as a goal. lead capture. All right, so we can do that, or you can add a lead magnet. And also, this is something cool, send an autoresponder email as soon as the visitor signs up on your landing page, right here. This stuff like this makes it so easy when you want to try things without having to hook up like 100 different tools. Okay, I also see there's a hide page from search engine. That's very thoughtful. And finally, social sharing. These are all the same stuff that we saw inside, so this it's not different. And it comes to e-commerce. Like I said, I've already connected my Stripe. Um, and then they have integrations with these services so far. The main one is obviously Zapier, because with Zapier you can connect it to any number of stuff. So I'm guessing Zapier's free version should be okay to just do a single step zaps, right? So you push something from here, you add a record in any service you want through Zapier, and that should be fine. And finally, I don't think there's anything to view there. Then there's the domain. So that's it, people. We are at the end. I hope that was useful. And if you guys like it, you should totally check out SwipePages. Use my affiliate link below. You will basically have the same fee. There's no like markup or anything like that. But I get a small percentage of commission, and that's how affiliate marketing works. And I hope this video helped you decide if SwipePages is right for you. Thank you.